Hey guys, welcome back to your daily reset. Today we're going to be talking about a workout that we maybe have a lot of gripping movements in. So you come off of a workout and you're like, my forearms are blown up. I'm going to show you some techniques today on how to recover those forearms and reset those wrists, get them ready for the following day. So starting off, I have some stretches. You may have seen these after a grippy workout at the gym. We're just going to be in a comfortable position, sitting position. Palms are going to be towards the floor and fingers going towards our butt. And we're just going to sit back. You should feel a stretch across the front side through this flexor group of the forearm and through the bicep. And we're just going to hang out here for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can kind of oscillate back and forth. Again, we're just trying to stretch out those tight forearms here. Working the opposite side, we would put the back side of the hand on the ground and doing the same movement. We're just going to sink back. You should feel the stretch on the lateral side or the outside where that extensor group attaches on that forearm. So just feeling the stretch through there. Those two pieces together can help reset those forearms. Last one I like to do is kind of for the fingers all together. Put the pads of the fingers together and then press the palms together just like so. Kind of like a namaste position. Spreading the fingers out as much as I can. I'm just kind of working back and forth. Kind of stretching out those finger flexors a little bit. Just like so. The next one we're going to do is actually a self-mobilization for the wrist. You can do this actually as a good warm-up if you're going anything handstand on the wall, or you're going for a handstand walk, or even planks, doing push-ups. If you ever find yourself limited in one of those wrists, you can use this as a self-mobilization. So here it is. You're going to be grabbing the wrist further away from that bony prominence on your wrist. You're going to go this side towards your fingers. You're going to grab just like a C grip right here, pulling a distraction force, so towards your fingers, pulling away, and then we're just going to go through some range of motion here. So maintaining that pulling away force with that C grip, you're just going to go through some range of motion there for about 1 minute per side. That would be sufficient to kind of help loosen up as much as you're going to get out of it. Again, this would be great for me personally. I like to do it before I do my handstand push-ups on the wall. Kind of helps that right wrist that's super tight on me to feel a little bit better. Last piece, kind of like a bonus piece. You guys have ever heard of scraping or Gua Sha or Graston techniques? You can use a household item like your silverware grip, something that's got a kind of a smooth outer piece to kind of free up the fascia and the tight tissues near and around your forearms, specifically around your epicondyle. So if you've ever been diagnosed or told you might have medial or lateral epicondylitis, otherwise known as tennis or golfer's elbow, those two pieces there can get super tight and cause some inflammation and pain in the elbow. So try this next time you might be all inflamed. We can just kind of take this and we're just going to do some light scraping right here. So you feel the bony prominence. This is your lateral epicondyle. We can do that through there. You can get some sort of lubricant, some like a lotion or something like that would kind of help not pull your hair as much. We're just going to be scraping through there. You'll probably have some tight pieces that you want to kind of work through. I'd do this one for about 2 minutes. You're going to get some, it's going to stimulate blood flow, to the area. So you're going to see some red come to the surface. That's okay. That's to be expected. You wouldn't be doing this multiple days in a row, maybe at most twice a week. For about 2 minutes. Again, you're not super digging in, but at the same time, you're not just lightly scraping. You're just kind of getting enough to move the skin here. Again, you can do the same thing on that medial side. Feel that bony prominence. Kind of loosening up some of those flexor tissues on this side. Just kind of digging through there. I can work from here all the way down to my wrist because that's where that muscle belly travels. We're just going to work in through here, and you can already kind of see on me is creating some red spots. Try that. If it doesn't feel better, then I would possibly looking to go in to see a physio or a chiro. That's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully those pieces together can help you reset those forearms and wrists. See you next time.